Welcome to Lehigh Acres Desktop Repair Service, where expert repairs meet convenience. Our reliable and affordable services ensure your desktop issues are resolved efficiently and effectively. We bring our expertise directly to you, offering home and office services throughout Lehigh Acres, Florida. Our technicians arrive equipped and ready to tackle any desktop challenge. We specialize in a range of services including hardware troubleshooting, software upgrades, virus removal, and data recovery. Our skilled technicians ensure your desktop is in top condition. Experience fast and reliable repairs that get you back to work without delay. Our commitment to speed and efficiency means minimal downtime for you. We offer free estimates with no hidden fees, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Our transparent pricing means you can trust the costs are fair and affordable. Choose us for our experienced technicians, quick turnaround times, and a customer satisfaction guarantee. Join our group of happy customers who have experienced our top-notch service. Schedule your repair today by calling us at 239-421-8187. Visit our website at lehighacresdesktoprepairservice.com for more information. Don't wait. Get expert repairs now with the convenience, reliability, and quality you deserve. Call us today at 239-421-8187 and let us handle your desktop repair needs with ease.